Okay, class, today we're going to talk about comparing decimal numbers, okay? So remember, there's most decimals, right, are mixed numbers, right? Decimal numbers can have a whole part and they can have a fractional part. So we always start with comparing the whole part because we can use what we learned before about when we had whole numbers, right? We could just look at which whole number is bigger, right, based on the number line. But what if there's a fractional part? Then it could be a little bit trickier. Okay, so let's go through these 4 steps and see how we handle this. So, the first thing is compare the whole number parts, right? If the whole number parts are different, we can easily decide which one's bigger by just looking at the whole number parts. And whichever whole number part is bigger, obviously that's going to be the bigger decimal number. Okay? Now, if that's the case, then we don't have to go past step 1. But if you look at the whole number parts of the decimal and the whole number parts are the same or equal, then we have to go to step 2. And the step 2 says basically what we're going to do is we're going to start comparing the digits starting with the tenths place and move to the right and look at each digit in the numbers. Okay? That's step 2. And then step 3 is when we come to 2 digits that are different, we stop. And then the 4th part, or this 4th step is, well, the digit that is larger when we stop determines which decimal number is larger. And that's it. Those are the 4 steps. Okay? So if you follow these 4 steps, you will be able to decide a couple of things. You'll be able to decide any decimal. I can give you any decimal number, and you can decide and figure out which decimal is smaller or which decimal is bigger by following these 4 steps. Also, what if I give you some numbers, some decimal numbers, and I ask you to put them in increasing order or decreasing order? Well, if you follow these 4 steps, you'll be able to do that very easily. Okay? And in fact, next time we're going to do a couple of examples, and we're going to do exactly that. We're going to use these 4 steps to decide how we handle it. Okay? Have a great day.